So he's using his phone. You know he is running because his indicator warning came on. And he just started going while still holding his phone in both hands. Having a good little text there, are we, mate? Need your license, do you, mate? Do you need your license, do you?
I have 3.
You've just thrown half of your English license in the bin. Because I'm going to report it. Can't be using your phone, man.